The process of getting our stone for our stone mills takes almost 1 million years. The granite was formed in the quarry in Barre, Vermont, and has been quarried there for nearly 200 years for all different types of purposes. And it's not until just the last 8 years that we've started to quarry very grade granite to make our mills. In order to get that, the stone blocks have to be harvested. That weigh many, many tons. After the blocks are pulled out, they're cut into slices, and then the slices are cut into a disc. After they're cut into a disc, we need to make sure they're perfectly flat and even from side to side. So they get planed, and then after they're planed, then a hole gets bored through the middle for the grain to get poured through. When we get it here in the shop, the stone is a perfect disc, and we go about cutting the grooves, which are called the furrows, and the lands, which are the flat parts here. And that process involves using a number of cutting tools to cut this shape, but then roughing it up with a bush hammer to make it a rough surface to grind the grain from whole grain down into fine flour. After each stone is cut, we have a top stone that's a runner stone and a bottom stone that's the bed stone. We have to take those two stones and put them together, true them to one another, and in that truing process we grind the stone some more to make sure that they're perfectly flat to grind the grain as fine as possible. From there we construct the frame, we build the hopper and all the casework, and then crate it up and ship another mill off to One Mighty Mill.